Welcome back for the final stretch of our journey through conquering the bar exam.
The home stretch.
We've covered a ton of ground already,
We have.
but now we're facing those last hurdles.
Yes,
Exam day itself, agonizing, wait for results.
it's definitely a time of heightened intensity.
Oh, for sure.
But Jackson, our trusty bar whisperer, provides some excellent guidance
Okay, good.
for navigating these final stages with grace and even a bit of zen.
I like it. Okay, so let's start with exam day. We've prepped, we've practiced, now it's game time.
It is.
What are some of Jackson's top tips for staying focused and calm when the pressure is on?
Well, he really emphasizes the importance of that final week leading up to the exam. It's not about cramming in new information.
Right,
It's about solidifying what you already know
right.
and getting yourself into peak mental and physical condition.
Okay,
He recommends focusing on your consolidated study notes and outlines, doing practice questions, and even taking a few timed practice exams to refine your pacing.
it's like the final dress rehearsal before the big opening night.
I like that analogy.
And just like you wouldn't want a wardrobe malfunction on opening night,
Right.
he also talks about the importance of organizing your exam materials ahead of time,
Oh, for sure.
making sure you have everything you need, your id, any permitted materials, snacks if allowed, even a comfortable outfit.
Yes.
You don't want to be scrambling for your lucky pencil on exam morning or,
Realizing you left your admission ticket on the kitchen counter.
oh my gosh, talk about a stress spiral.
Yeah.
He also stresses the importance of familiarizing yourself with the exam, the location, the time, parking situation, all those nitty-gritty details that can cause unnecessary stress if not prepared.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I can see how knowing exactly where to go and what to expect would help minimize those pre-exam jitters.
For sure. And here's a tip that I particularly appreciate.
Okay.
With that, he recommends doing a trial run to the exam venue a few days before,
Oh, that's a good idea.
just to get a feel for the route, the parking situation, and even find the specific room where you'll be taking the exam.
I love that.
It's about eliminating those unknowns
Yes.
so you can walk in on exam day feeling like you've already been there, done that.
Right. You're not thrown off by anything.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about the mental game.
Okay.
What are some of Jackson's strategies for managing anxiety and staying focused in those high pressure exam moments?
While he's a big advocate for establishing a pre-exam routine that helps you center yourself and find your calm,
Okay.
this could involve light exercise, a healthy breakfast, meditation, listening to music, anything that helps you get into the right headspace.
It's about having those rituals that signal to your brain, okay, it's game time, but we've got this.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. He also talks about the importance of healthy eating and hydration, not just on exam day, but in the days leading up to it.
Absolutely. Avoid those heavy processed food that can make you feel sluggish and foggy-headed.
That's right.
Focus on nourishing your body with whole foods and protein, plenty of water.
That's like fueling your brain for a marathon.
Exactly.
You wouldn't eat a greasy burger and fries before running 26 miles.
And of course, sleep is absolutely crucial.
Yes.
Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure that your brain is well rested and ready to fire on all cylinders.
No all-nighters in the final week.
None whatsoever.
We need those brain cells firing on all cylinders.
And here's a powerful technique that he recommends.
Okay.
Mental visualization. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself walking into that exam room with confidence, answering questions effectively, and ultimately succeeding.
I love that.
It's about creating that positive mental image and reinforcing your belief in yourself.
So it's almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy.
It can be.
If you can see yourself succeeding, it makes it that much more likely to happen.
Exactly.
Now let's fast forward to the dreaded waiting period after the exam. That period of anticipation and uncertainty can be incredibly challenging.
It can.
What are some of Jackson's suggestions for dealing with the emotional roller coaster of waiting for those results?
Well, he emphasizes the importance of staying occupied.
Okay.
Find activities that truly engage you and distract you from that urge to constantly check for updates.
Right. It's so hard not to.
It is. But spend time with loved ones. Pursue hobbies, travel, whatever brings you joy and helps you detach from the late in game.
Easier said than done. But I know from experience that having those distractions can be a lifesaver for sure.
He also encourages practicing mindfulness,
Okay.
focusing on the present moment,
Yes.
and gently redirecting those what-if thoughts that can easily spiral out of control.
All right. Those what if thoughts are the worst they can be.
But it's about acknowledging those anxious thoughts without letting them take over.
Deep breaths, everyone. Deep breaths.
Deep breaths. He also suggests something that I think is incredibly wise.
Okay. Tell me.
Prepare yourself emotionally for different outcomes.
Oh, that's a good one.
Think about how you'll react if you pass and how you'll handle it if you don't.
Yeah.
Having a plan for both scenarios can help you feel more in control, regardless of what those results say.
That's such a good point. It's about taking back some of that sense of agency
Exactly.
in a situation that can feel very much out of your control.
It can. And here's a crucial point that Jackson emphasizes.
Okay. What's that?
Celebrate your hard work, regardless of the outcome. You've dedicated months, maybe even years to preparing for this exam, and that's something to be proud of. You showed up, you put in the effort, and that deserves recognition.
Those celebratory margaritas are definitely earned, no matter what the outcome.
Yes, they are. He also encourages you to set new goals for yourself, regardless of the results.
Okay.
If you pass, fantastic.
Whoop, whoop.
Celebrate that achievement and start planning those next steps in your legal career.
Yes.
But if you don't, that's okay. It's okay to feel disappointed,
Take a moment,
but don't let that define you.
right?
Use it as an opportunity to reassess, refine your strategy, and come back even stronger.
It's a setback, not a failure.
Exactly. As Jackson says. It's all part of the journey.
I like that. So, to all you aspiring lawyers out there, remember this. You've got this.
You do.
You have the strength, the determination, and the resources to conquer this beast of an exam.
You really do.
And if you're looking for an extra edge, I highly recommend checking out Jackson Mumey's Conquering the Bar Exam on Kindle.
It's a great resource.
It's just $9.95. Then your daily coffee fix. And trust me, it's worth every penny.
And don't forget, Jackson also founded Celebration Bar Review,
Oh, that's right.
which offers even more support and resources for bar exam preparation.
So go out there, deep divers, crush this exam and make those legal dreams a reality. That's it for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See you later.